Believe in your dreams, no matter how impossible they seem. If you can visualize it, if you can dream it, there's some way to do it. Laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age. And dreams are forever. All your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Whatever you do, do it well. Do it so well that when people see you do it, they will want to come back and see you do it again. And they will want to bring others and show them how well you do what you do. The 4 C's of making dreams come true: curiosity, courage, consistency, confidence. The flower that blooms in adversity is the rarest and most beautiful of all. That's the real trouble with the world. Too many people grow up. Think, believe, dream, and dare. The difference in winning and losing is most often not quitting. To be successful, you must be unique. You must be so different that if people want what you have, they must come to you to get it. If you can dream it, you can do it. Always remember that this whole thing was started with a dream and a mouse. Many of the things that seem impossible now will become realities tomorrow. The sky has never been the limit. We are our own limits. It's then about breaking our personal limits and outgrowing ourselves to live our best lives. All the adversity I've had in my life, all my troubles and obstacles, have strengthened me. We keep moving forward, opening up new doors and doing new things, because we're curious. And curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. When you're curious, you find lots of interesting things to do. Times and conditions change so rapidly that we must keep our aim constantly focused on the future. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.